Well, the Haryana governor has approved a bill that reserves 75% of the private sector jobs with a gross salary of up to 50,000 rupees per month for people of the state. Now, the legislation was passed by the State Assembly in 2020. Remember, the reservation in private sector for locals was the main election promise of Dushyant Chautala's Jannayak Janata Party, which had formed a government in the state in alliance with the BJP after winning 10 of the 90 seats.
महामहिम ने 75% रिजर्वेशन बिल फॉर लोकल एम्प्लॉयमेंट हरियाणा के युवाओं के लिए आज अप्रूव किया है। इससे ज़्यादा खुशी का दिन हरियाणा के युवाओं के लिए नहीं हो सकता कि अब प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्री में, सोसाइटी में, ट्रस्ट में, किसी भी तरह के व्यवसाय के अंदर हरियाणा के मूल निवासियों को 75% अधिकार हो। उसके रूल्स हम जल्द फ्रेम कर पब्लिश करेंगे कि प्रदेश के युवाओं को उनका अधिकार मिले।
Well, Amandeep now joins me live for more on this. Now, Amandeep, this was, of course, a key election promise that was made by the ruling government before the election. So, in a sense, it is a fulfillment of the promise that they made earlier.
Exactly, Nupur, and in fact JJP party has fully pressed this bill and they have made such promises from the stage, and this is one of the prominent promises that was made by the Dushyant Chautala during the poll campaign, and he ensured all the youth that he will pedal for this bill just because it will definitely enhance the employment rate in the Haryana. It will definitely enhance reduce the unemployment rate, and in fact though the Dushyant Chautala, Deputy CM of Haryana, actually quoted himself as an icon of youth, he's peddling all the support from the youth, and in fact that is why he pressed for this bill a lot. And JJP was the one party who introduced the bill last time in the assembly session, and that was passed by the majority. And yesterday it was actually stamped by the governor SN Arya, and in fact now it will be implemented very soon after drafting the policies, just because it includes all the trust, partnership firms, partnership liabilities, societies, institutions, or any company owned by a single person having more than 10 employees.
Absolutely.
That will they make
Absolutely,
the reservation.
Amandeep, as you're pointing out, of course, this is a fulfillment of a poll promise that was made by the ruling alliance. Thank you very much for the moment, Amandeep, for joining us.